Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because I tell you in this video to what's going on. They're going up or they fell us down exactly. But in the last days, in the last 24 hours, they very badly fell us down, my friend. And they change occur minus 16.09% they fell us down. So this is very bad for Hedera Hashgraph holder. So what's the next? In the upcoming days, they're going up or they fell us down. This is very important for every holder, my friend. And I already show open at my 7 days chart. Therefore I want to predict it first of all, my friend. This of all, if you can see here, I draw first line and I draw a second line. You can see here this these two lines show you or tell you to they going up in upcoming days or they fails round one, my friend. If you can see here, they take a very bad fall, my friend, and after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down again, my friend. This is the circulation of crypto market. To after a fail they take a jump, and after a jump they take a fail. So absolutely this is the my friend moving style. You can see here every crypto market, so every crypto coin. So my friend, now what's the Hedera hash graph, or do they go up in upcoming days or they fail us down, my friend? After a fails they take again high jump, so everybody know this. To after a fails they take again high jump. So my thing, the Hedera hash graph jump time is coming soon. Therefore I think Hedera hash graph is ready for a high jump, my friend. So therefore I request you, my Hedera hash graph holder, please hold it, wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit and they make you millionaire. So therefore I have no plan to sell it. Please hope you understand to this is not a selling time. This is not a financial video. Remember, if you want to invest, then exactly personally, absolutely my friends, personally research, this is good for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and also like this video for more this type videos.